In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall a WordPress plugin. By the end, you'll know exactly how to safely remove a plugin you no longer need, keep your site tidy, and avoid common hiccups along the way. Inside your WordPress dashboard, start by opening the Plugins section from the left-hand menu and selecting Installed Plugins. This page lists every plugin currently available on your site, whether it's active or not. If you have a lot installed, use the search box in the top right to quickly locate the one you want to remove. Before you take anything off your site, it's smart to make sure you truly don't need the plugin's features anymore. If that plugin powers something visible on your site, like contact forms, SEO settings, or a slider, disabling it may change how your site looks or functions. Having a recent backup is always a good safeguard so you can roll back if needed. To begin the removal, first click Deactivate under the plugin's name. Deactivating turns the plugin off immediately, stopping its code from running, but it leaves the plugin files installed. This is helpful because you can test how your site behaves without the plugin and, if necessary, reactivate it with a single click. After deactivation, take a quick look at a few key pages on your site to confirm everything still works as expected. Once you're sure you don't need it, go back to that plugin on the Installed Plugins page and click Delete. WordPress will prompt you to confirm. Approving this will remove the plugin's files from your server. In many cases, the plugin's settings are removed too, but not always. Some plugins store data in your database or media library that may remain after deletion. If you want every trace gone, check the plugin's documentation for details on how it handles cleanup. If you don't see a delete option, make sure the plugin is deactivated first, because the delete link only appears for inactive plugins. If it's already inactive and you still can't delete it, the plugin may be managed by your hosting environment or required by a theme, in which case you may need administrator privileges or help from your provider. After deletion, refresh the Installed Plugins page to confirm it's gone. Give your site another quick once-over to verify that everything still looks and runs smoothly. That's all there is to it. Go to Plugins and Installed Plugins, click Deactivate, then click Delete. Keeping your plugin list lean helps performance, reduces security risks, and makes ongoing maintenance simpler.